grand launch of Safe Zone Watch, and let me start by appreciating the press and media personnel working relentlessly during these difficult times to bring reliable and useful information to the public. You are doing a commendable job, guys. You deserve a round of applause.
I would first and foremost like to tell everyone that even though things have opened up and the lockdown is being relaxed, a lot of rules have been eased out, that does not really mean that we take it easy. In fact, if we need to be careful, it's pretty much now. Because people are going to roam around normally, things are going to get back to normal, does not mean that we are all safe and fine. So please take utmost care, be extremely careful, and please wear a mask, double mask. I double masked on my way here to Hyderabad this morning, and of course followed all safety protocols as much as I could. And I really sincerely urge all of you to do the same. Let's be responsible for one another, that's extremely important. And well, I'd like to say a very big congratulations to Rashmi. This is a wonderful product. And like it's been mentioned by Bharat Garu as well as Manjula Garu, this is something that's going to be extremely useful for me in my industry once I resume work. I really like the fact that this actually sends notifications on the app. So if your body temperature fluctuates, if your SpO2 fluctuates, you'll actually get a notification which is an immediate sign even before you test, before you do your RT-PCR, that you need to isolate immediately. So that cuts down and minimizes risk as much as possible. And I think that is pretty much the need of the hour. And also, I'm extremely glad about the fact that you are donating this to the frontline workers. I think this is extremely important for all our doctors out there who are doing way beyond, who are putting the community and the needs of COVID patients before their own families. This is something which will really help them, and really heartfelt gratitude for doing this, and all the very best.
What is Safe Zone? Safe Zone, we are calling it as Raksha Watch in India. So we want to change the name as Raksha Watch. So Raksha Watch does really help people to, save themselves from COVID-19 spread. I have to say yes, because we cannot keep a track of oxygen levels and temperature levels, keep on checking out of our busy schedules. So what does a COVID watch Raksha Watch does is like it will keep a track of your body behavior 24/7. So I would like to know, because already Srinivas have already technical head have already told you how it works and how, what are the things behind, Raksha Watch to be so smart. It's a smart COVID watch. So I would like to know like few words and their opinion on Raksha Watch, like how it is useful for a patient to escape from the COVID from our delighted doctors. So they will explain like how it is useful for our body, and this pandemic has been, the second wave has been, very bad to India. So we thought of getting it. It is basically found in US and we got it to India. And I'm really proud to, get such a product to India, and thank you so much.
A great initiative by Rashmi. Initially when I was told about this, I was not very sure how it's gonna help us. A very important thing, what actually got me connected to this was the word Raksha. During the first wave, actually I used to roam around. We used to see patients day in and day out. So I used to just roam around only with just a 3-ply mask. So I was not that scared. It wasn't worrying me much. So I actually took it in a very easy manner. So the time as in we saw the second wave initiation in India, when we were seeing very near and dear ones, actually we lost patients in a span of as young as 30-35 years. We lost them in a span of 2 days, 3 days. We have seen a lot of patients getting their hands amputated, legs amputated, post-COVID complications. It actually scared me to death. I was so worried and scared because I have to work and we work in a very close proximity to the patient. So it always worries because I need to go back home. I have very aged parents at home. I have kids at home. So we were actually something like this sort, if could be brought to India, would be really helpful. And I think talking about Safe Zone, I think they spoke everything about it. It is the need of hour for people like us and people like you and most of the people who are in association with the public. For me, it works both the ways, both in the movies as well as on the medical fraternity. Ma'am, it is an amazing initiative by you. We appreciate it wholeheartedly, and I hope people should take this forward so that actually, like Manjula ma'am said, we can prevent the next generation from falling trapped with this. Thank you so much.
I know it's busy schedule since Rashmi Garu requested me to come here. So I said I'll just launch and leave, even though I do not know too much about this device. But she promised me that she would let me know, she would come home and tell me, explain me. So today, whoever is this safe zone, whoever the owners are or whoever is, so I would like to congratulate and I welcome this device. I hope it will be useful because you talked to me about using it on frontline warriors first. So we are looking forward for it and whatever help you all need from my side, from the city side as a mayor, I would promise that, we would help you in this. Thank you.
Which I liked is about inclusion of the artificial intelligence. And today's time, it is always the technique and technology, and if they both don't go hand in hand, that's where we're going to falter. The third point, which is important, is that when the COVID third is going to come, which is already started actually, the next generation is going to get affected. That is 18 plus are all vaccinated. Who is left over is less than 18 years. And we do know kids are the one person who is not going to be compliant with whatever we say. They are not going to allow us to check their temperature, pulse rate. Every day if somebody wants to check that, they are not going to allow. So hopefully this is what is going to help us in the immunity of the kids.